Pure T7 lang din to.
It's the real deal. It's
Tatlo pa lang yun nandito. May blob na. Ito na sila. May na-slow load daw sa kanila.
so come. Dismount. We lag check. Come.
OC?
No.
No.
We lag check. South is
Okay.
shallow. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kunwari hindi magkasama.
What the fuck? Hold yet. So guys, when they engage, for example, we're alam natin na kahit com sila. We go into them, okay? So after they engage, we walk.
Response.
Brolcom sila, brol. Semi-brol.
Ay, bro, clap.
Brawl clap. Putang na yung ano nila, yung donsong nila nakahilya.
Okay.
Tapos natakot tayo.
Joining in na yung iba. Grouping pa sila siguro. Bobo yung Bobo yung frontline healer niya.
Ay, Pedrak dito sa likod
May ibang guild dito.
Kasama nila yan, kalayan sila yan. Ingat na lang sa flank ha. Hindi ako niniwala.
Referee ba yan?
Zoning na sila. Hindi ako niniwala dito sa mga to.
Okay. Papirpod. Oh, sino. Hold.
Baka makisali yung ano.
Hold yet.
Na, titirahin talaga tayo sa likod nun.
Come. Slowly walk in. Oh, come back. Hold mo na dyan, ha?
Ba't kasi dito? Ang pangat naman.
Kaya nga, hold lang. Keep holding.
Ano to?
Hold.
Ano lang gawin natin?
Go back tanks. Let them go to the, Let them go. Hold. After guardian, we engage shallow. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow, southwest. Go back. Northwest. Go back.
Dropping Judy.
Build yung ano nila, build.
Keep going northwest. Keep going northwest.
Build up.
Hold. Come southeast a little bit. Come. Hold yet. Pahil muna. Heal front here.
I-up.
Hold muna.
Ang dito, ang pangat na to.
It's okay. Magkay tayo after this, okay? Hold. Keep holding. Engage on this guy. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This guy. Go back. Northwest.
Gago, may icicle din sila.
Go back northwest. Defensive. Now we go in. Push through onto them. Move, boys. We're gonna hit southeast deep. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Stop yung
1.
backline mo. Stop yung polo na.
No, go back northwest. Come northwest. Come on, full groups are northwest. Full group northwest. I'm gonna pipe Netlands. Full group northwest. Ready, defensive. Now go on them. DPS, go in, DPS. We're gonna hit south, boys, south. Ready in 5, south, 4, 3, 2, 1. South.
Na-hold kami.
Pabalik. We spread here. Spread out. Don't go back to the choke. Spread out here. We're gonna soak here. Defense in the middle. Respat. Now go in. Go into them. We're gonna hit northeast deep. Ready? Northeast deep ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast deep. Ano?
Not is tip, not is tip.
Fuck. Come east. Full.
Come east. Find your way east,
Scorpion
Dapin
ako.
Judy,
We get ready to soak here. Keep fighting east. Keep fighting east. They
Find
engage.
your way sa east, please.
No.
They missed.
No. Go brawl. Go on them. DPS walk in. We engage northwest deep ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest deep.
Na-stop yung mga ano ma.
Come east. Full group sa east. We can still win yet. Defense in the middle. They fail. Now keep brawling here. Keep brawling. 5 seconds we engage. Keep brawling. DPS come northwest. Brawl. No, southwest DPS. Ready in 5. Southwest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now.
Na J.
East. Full group east. Ready to soak. Defensive. Now we're gonna
WD.
hold. Heals up. Keep healing. East.
Grabbing stun.
East. We're gonna counter inside of us. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. I'm gonna drop Judy. Reset. West. Come west. Defense. Rest. Come west, boys.
Wala. GG na.
Out deep.
Naglaro tayo sa ano nila. Playing field nila. GG na. Ang hirap mag ng space. Ang ano. Anel petang gusto.
Di ko na record, puta.
Na-record ko.
Enigma tsaka ano?